Hello everyone. Welcome to this complete beginners friendly tutorial series on Introduction to a Beginner's Guide to Machine Learning, AI, Deep Learning using Python and Google Colab. In today's world, data is everywhere from satellite images orbiting the Earth to sensors monitoring the climate to the apps predicting what we want to watch next. But the raw data alone is not useful. What truly matters is how we analyze, understand, and extract the intelligence from the data. And that is exactly where the artificial intelligence, machine learning come into the picture. In this tutorial series, I will guide you step by step from very basic to practical real world applications, even if you have zero background in AI or programming. So don't worry, this series is designed especially for the beginners. We will start by understanding what artificial intelligence really means and how the machine learning helps computer to learn from data and how the deep learning mimics the human brain using neural networks. Then we will move into a hands-on implementation using Python, which is currently the most powerful and widely used programming language in data science and AI. So to make the learning easy and accessible for everyone, we will use Google Colab, a cloud-based coding platform where you don't need to install anything. You can run powerful AI models directly from your browser, even using the GPU acceleration for the deep learning task. But this series is not limited to general AI concept. So we will also explore the applications across multiple domains, especially in GIS and geospatial analysis, remote sensing using satellite data, and environmental and climate modeling, hydrology and groundwater studies, a predictive modeling and data science workflow. So if you're a student or researcher or a GIS analyst or remote sensing professional or someone more curious about AI, this series will help you build a strong foundation and move towards a real world project development. So by this end of the series, you will understand how to move from raw data to intelligent prediction and how to build a machine learning models and how to apply the AI technique to solve the real scientific and engineering problems. Let's get started. This is the beginner's guide to ML AI deep learning with Python and Google Colab. So it is designed for the newcomers to AI and data science and hands-on project-based approach. So no prior experience is needed. So learn by doing with the real-world examples. So we're gonna use this using free tools like Python, Google Colab, and open libraries. Build a strong foundation for our advanced topics and self-paced with practical exercises. Get ready to code from the day one onwards. So the course structure and the learning path. So first we're going to cover the basics of Python to the beginners, and we're going to learn about the different libraries and the machine learning fundamentals, both supervised and unsupervised learning. And next is about deep learning, and last we're going to focus on artificial intelligence. So why Google Colab? So it is a cloud-based environment and with the free GPU and TPU access for deep learning. So no installation is required and easy sharing and collaboration. Integrated with the Google Drive and pre-installed libraries like the TensorFlow and PyTorch, etc. So it is kind of perfect for beginners and experimentations. And what is an artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is a field of computer science focused on creating a machine that can perform tasks requiring the human intelligence. So these tasks includes decision making, problem solving, and understanding language and recognizing images. So what is machine learning is? So machine learning is a branch of AI where the computer learns pattern from the data instead of being explicitly programmed. So instead of writing rules manually, we give the data to the computer, let the algorithm finds the pattern and use the pattern to make predictions. So what is the deep learning is? So deep learning is an advanced type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. So it uses artificial neural networks with many layers to learn very complex patterns. So why deep? So because it uses many hidden layers between inputs and outputs. So the relationship between the AI, ML, and deep learning. So think of it like this: AI is an entire field, and ML is a method to achieve AI, and the deep learning is the advanced ML technique, or simply AI is equals to the goal and ML is the tool, and DL, which is a deep learning, is the advanced tool. So the type of machine learning, so starting with we have a supervised learning. The model learns using a labeled data, answers already known. Example is the anomaly detection and disease prediction. And the next is unsupervised learning. The model finds the hidden patterns without labels. Example, clustering and image segmentations. And the typical data science workflow. So most AI project follows this pipeline: the data collection, followed by data cleaning, data exploration, model training, model evaluation, and deployment. So why Python is the most used in AI? So Python is popular because easy to learn syntax, huge libraries which includes NumPython, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, and a strong community support, and works well with cloud platforms. And why cloud platforms like Google Colab? So the cloud tool helps because no installation is needed, and free GPU for deep learning, easy sharing and collaboration, and works directly in your browser. An important data science tool, starting with NumPython, used for fast mathematical calculations, Pandas, used for data cleaning and analysis, and the Matplot library or Seaborn, used for data visualization, and the scikit-learn, used for machine learning models, and the TensorFlow, used for deep learning models. So where the AI is used today? So AI is everywhere, starting with healthcare, disease prediction, social media, content recommendation, and transportation, self-driving technologies, and finance, the fraud detection, climate science, weather prediction, and in our GIS and remote sensing, like image segmentations, prediction analysis, and etc. So the future of AI, the future is moving towards generative AI and large language models, AI in daily life automations, smart cities and smart healthcare. So in the part one of this tutorial series, we taken this first step into the world of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, and I hope we're gonna cover all the topics in artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine learning. And remember, you don't need to master everything in one day. So learning AI is in a journey, and the consistency matter more than the speed. So in our upcoming videos of this series, we will move from theory to hands-on practical implementation using Python and Google Colab, and we will work with a real dataset, build machine learning models step by step, and explore how these techniques are applied in GIS, remote sensing, environmental modeling, and scientific research. And if you find this video useful, please like this video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comment section. I personally read and respond to them. And if you want to don't want to miss the next videos in this series, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. So thank you for spending your valuable time learning with me today. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I will see you in the next video.